Hey everybody, welcome to my Mediterranean kitchen. My name is Andy. I'm here to bring you the vibrant, fresh flavours of the Mediterranean, straight from my house to yours. Here we're going to be celebrating bold and vibrant flavours and the joy of Mediterranean cooking. Today we're going to be preparing a beautiful sepia. Don't be shy, come on in, let's get cooking.
To take this recipe to the next level and make it restaurant quality, we need to prepare the salsa verde, the green sauce.
Salsa verde or green sauce only has 4 ingredients.
Garlic, parsley, lemon juice and olive oil.
Did you know that people in Spain have an exceptionally long longevity, staying fit and healthy well into old age? In Spain we eat a shed load of garlic. Garlic is an anticoagulant. It thins your blood, reduces the risks of heart attacks and strokes. Well, how beautiful the green sauce. Can you see how easy it is to prep up? If you haven't tried it before, I would highly recommend it. With its 4 ingredients, this salsa verde green sauce certainly knocks the socks off of anything you can buy in the shops. And have you noticed? It's all natural. And that is what Mediterranean cooking is all about. Fresh, fresh, fresh. Well, here we have it, the pièce de résistance, the sepia. Let's get it washed and patted dry, ready for the plancha. With a little bit of olive oil, now's the time to prep up the pan. In she goes and it's sizzling away. Have you ever had the pleasure of cooking sepia a la plancha? Let's cut these tentacles off because we want to make them super crispy. 5 minutes of frying, that's all you need. Can you smell the Mediterranean? And finally, 5 minutes later, here we have it. Sepia a la plancha. Tender, beautiful. Let's take time to decorate the plates.
Our wonderful neighbours in Italy have their calamari, and here in Spain we have our sepia.
I am truly biased, I know, but I prefer sepia. What would you prefer, calamari or sepia?
And there you have it, a beautiful tender sepia with a pungent garlic, parsley, green sauce, salsa verde. If you like this recipe, give me the thumbs up. And please subscribe for more authentic Mediterranean recipes. And please let me know in the comments below what dish you'd like to see next. Until next time, happy cooking. Venga, vamos, nos vemos. Hasta luego. Adios. Keep it fresh, keep it real at all times. Besitos a todos. Ciao.